Hi everyone. This is our last video, and in this video, I will show you how a easiest way to find the the equation for the linear regression. Okay. But before that, I want to point out a mistake I made in my previous video. So when I find the residue using this data. Yeah, it's not negative 41.96. It's actually that's too big. So 98 minus 104.28. Yeah, it's that's negative 6.28. Yeah, that's negative 6 point. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. So let me review the method of least squares. Okay. So I'm using this equation. I can find the for each data, I can find a residue, right? And I square each of the residue, and then by adding them up, I'm gonna find a number. Okay, I'm gonna find a number, and then let's say I'm using another equation. For example, 1.38x minus 18. So this equation will generate a different residue and a different square of the residue. So I can find a different number by adding the square of all these residues. Okay. And then I'll compare these two numbers. Uh, the smaller number will be better. Okay, the smaller number will be better because that's indicated we have a small error. Okay, yeah. So that's the idea behind the method of least squares. Okay. Now, next, let me show you how to find this equation using the Google Sheet. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna select all this data. Okay. And then press more, and it will drop out this window, and you choose insert chart. Okay. And choose the scatter chart. If the option if your graph is not a scatter chart, you want to switch to the scatter chart. Okay. So now this shows me what does the graph look like when I plot this point to XY plane. So I can even change the title. Right, say this is X is the heart rate before, right, before taking exercise, and Y is heart rate after taking the exercise. Okay, and we can change the title. Right, title is heart rates before versus heart rate after. Okay, yeah, but you don't have to do that. I just want to show you this is something you can do. Okay, um, so then to find the equation, the equation of the linear regression, first we select the customize. Okay, under the customize, you choose you click the series. Okay, and then you scroll down and you will see these three boxes and check trend line. Okay, so that will give you the best line, the best straight line that fits all these points. Okay, now And to find the equation, you go to the label. Under the label, you check use equation. Okay. So that will show you the equation of this straight line, right? Okay. So let's compare this with our result, right? 0.675, right? And B0 is 40.9. Okay. Right. Okay. So now let me do another example using some questions in the homework. Okay. Say, for example, this one. Yeah. Let me get a new problem. Okay. Let me get a new problem. Okay. So I'm asked to use this data and first to find the linear model that best fits this data using regression. Okay. So I want to first copy this data to Google. So copy them here. Okay. And first select this data and open and click the insert chart. Okay. Say I didn't get the scatter plot, so I wanna choose that. Yeah. Okay. And then you click these three dots. If you don't see that window, you click these three dots, right? And it will drop down this window, and then you click edit chart. Okay. And then click customize. And under customize, go to series. Okay. And check the trend line. And then check the use equation. Okay. So the equation is negative 0.34. Okay, we are asked to round the linear parameter value to nearest 0.0 and the constant parameter to nearest 1. Okay. So negative 0.34. Negative 0.34x and plus the constant parameter is 261. 261. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So not x. This is a p. Right now the predictor is a p, not x. So p. Okay. And the next question is ask us to find the square correlation coefficient. Remember, this is not a coefficient r. This is a square of r. So let's find the r and then square that. So correlation. Let's review how to do that, right? So all the x value on A1 to A6 and all the B value, all the y value from B1 to B6. Okay, so that's my R, and the square of R is the square of so that's 8, 9, and the square. Yeah, okay. The result is a 0.9356, and that's the question asks if this was above or below 0.95. So we should select below. Okay, yeah. Right. So that's how do you find the equation. Okay. Now if the data you are given are written in rows, right? Well, one way you can do this is you can type this by hand. So to type them into columns, right? That's not it's not hard because there are only a few numbers. And another way is this. You can use a command. Let me show you what the command is. So first one, I copy them. Hold on. Something's wrong. Okay, something's wrong. Okay, and beneath beneath cell. Okay. Insert. Okay. Just to remind me, this is the X and this is a Y. All right. Um, yeah. So what can I do is I can use this command, which is transpose. Okay. So it transpose, it will transpose the rows into column and vice versa. So I want transpose the row B one all the way to I1. So I change these X values and make them shown into column. Okay, and I do the same thing for Y. Transpose. So now B2 from B2 to I2. Okay, now this is my X and this is my Y. And then check the insert chart. Okay, and from here, customize and series and trend line, and then the use equation. Okay, so the equation gonna be this. Yeah, 0.86x plus 4.03. Okay. Okay, all right. So that's the thing I want to show you for tomorrow's class, which we canceled. Um, and Friday we will continue on this topic. I will do some more examples in class on Friday, and then we will review the quiz you guys took last Friday. Okay. Well, I will see everyone. Hope I will see everyone on Friday in class. Bye.